Okay, before we leave Module 1, I want to give you a map. A map of the rest of the course, not a sales pitch. Just a clear picture of what the documented surface area of OpenClaw actually is. So what is coming and what to look up when you need it. OpenClaw has 9 major surfaces, 9, and each one maps to a chunk of the course. So let us walk through them. Surface 1, install and first run. The next module covers all of it. Install script, npm fallback. The 7-step onboarding wizard, daemon installation per platform. The first message verification, all of it. Surface 2, the control UI. That is the local web app. The gateway serves on port 18789. It has panels for chat, sessions, channels, cron jobs, skills, nodes, execution approvals, configuration, logs, debug, update, and even a thing called dreaming. Module 3 is a tour of every single panel. Surface 3, agents. Modules 4, 5, and 6 cover the workspace files, the multi-agent routing model with bindings, and the session and pairing model. This is the heart of OpenClaw, because everything you do as an agent. Stay with me on those modules, they matter. Surface 4, channels. Each messaging platform has its own setup: Discord, Slack, Telegram, WhatsApp, iMessage, Signal, Matrix, Microsoft Teams, Zalo, WebChat. Modules 7 through 10 cover the common channel shape, per channel setup, voice surfaces, and companion device nodes. Surface 5, skills. Skills are directories with a skill.md file. They are agent capabilities you install and update from a registry called ClawHub that lives at clawhub.ai. Module 11 covers them in detail. Surface 6, plugins and tools. Plugins are TypeScript packages that extend OpenClaw with new channels, new model providers, new tools, and more. Module 12 covers the plugin SDK and tool registration. If you ever want to build something custom, that is the module. Surface 7, automation, cron jobs, hooks, standing orders, and heartbeats. 4 primitives. Module 13 covers all 4 and when to reach for which. Surface 8, memory and the model context protocol. There are 3 memory engines you can pick from. Built-in, Honcho, QMD, plus MCP servers, which are external tool providers your agents can call. Module 14 covers both. Surface 9, operations, gateway configuration, security, deployment, troubleshooting, and cost control. Modules 15 through 19 cover these as a single track. Hot reload behavior, auth modes, sandboxing, exec approvals, the Einbeiter Atlas threat model, cloud deployment patterns, diagnostic commands, and the cost economics module that addresses the bill shock problem head on. Number 19, that is the whole map. 19 modules, 5 tracks. Each module ties back to a specific part of the OpenClaw surface area. Alright, in the next module, we install OpenClaw and get our first message flowing. I will see you there.